Good morning students. Students, in today's class, let us revise chapter number 6, triangles and its properties. So what are triangles? Yes, triangles are three-sided polygon, and on the basis of sides, there are three types of triangles. They are scalene triangle, isosceles triangle, and equilateral triangle. What are scalene triangles, students? Scalene triangles, those triangles whose all sides are unequal. They have no equal sides. Okay, all sides are of different measurement. Okay. What are isosceles triangle? Isosceles triangle means whose two sides are equal. And what are equilateral triangle? The triangle whose all sides are equal. Okay. So these are on the basis of sides. Now on the basis of angles, how many types of triangles are there? Three. Obtuse angle triangle, acute angle triangle, and right angle triangle. Obtuse means it is greater than 90 degree and less than 180 degree. So the triangle which makes the angle greater than 90 degree and less than 180 degree is obtuse angle triangle. The triangle which is less than 90 degree, which makes the angle less than 90 degree, is known as acute angle triangle. And what are right angle triangle? Right angle triangle means the triangle which makes 90 degree angle. Okay. So these are the triangles on the basis of sides and on the basis of angles. Okay. Now there are the elements of the triangles are sides. These are sides. The line segments are known as sides, and these are angles. Okay. And the line where two line segments meet is corner of this figure, and these are called vertex. These are the vertices of the triangle. Okay. So these are sides, angles, and vertices. Okay. So there are three sides, three angles, and three vertices in any triangle. Okay. Now, what are the properties of the triangles? The properties of the triangles are the sum of two sides. The sum of two sides is greater than the third side. Sum of two sides is greater than the third side. The sum of two sides, the sum of any two sides, we can take any. Suppose this is 2 centimeter, this is 3, this is 2. So if I take this 3 plus 2, so it will be greater than this third side 2. Okay. If I'll take this 2 plus 2, so it will be greater than this third side 3. So in this way, the sum of any two sides of the triangle is greater than the third side. So this is the first property. The second property is difference of two sides. Difference of two sides is less than the third side. Means if I take difference of any two sides, that will be less than the third side. Suppose if I take this 3 and 2, so it will be 1. 3 minus 2 is 1, so 1 is less than 2. So 1 is less than 2. So in this way, if I take any of the two sides, so their difference must be less than the third side. Their difference should be less than the third side. Okay. So in this way, these are some properties of the triangle, that sum of two sides is greater than the third side. Difference of two sides is less than the third side. Okay. Now, what are the sum of angles? Sum of angles of the triangle is of 180 degree. Sum of angles of any triangle is equals to 180 degree. It can be any triangle. It can be scalene, obtuse, or isosceles, right angle triangle. It can be any triangle, but the sum of angles of any triangle is of 180 degree. Okay. Now, what is Pythagorean property? Pythagorean property means in right angle triangle, the square of hypotenuse equals to the sum of square of perpendicular and base. H square equals to P square plus B square. Suppose this is right angle triangle ABC. So, the angle which is made on the line segment is known as this base. The side opposite to this right angle is known as hypotenuse. The line segment which makes the right angle triangle is known as perpendicular. Okay. So, in any right angle triangle, H square equals to P square plus B square. So, if triangle satisfies this property, so it will be right angle triangle, and if the triangle is right angle triangle, so it will satisfy this property. Okay. So, this is known as Pythagorean property. Okay, so in this way, these are the we have studied types of the triangle, we have revised types of the triangles and this Pythagorean property. Okay, so try to solve questions related to this Pythagorean property. Okay, thank you.